Okay, we are on to day 4 of the Advent calendar for 2019, created by Kiirsti Owen, and we're just working through them with a set of 25 short videos. Okay, so on the 4th day of Christmas, we are going to play with numbers. She's provided some basic code that we can run, and I think the easiest thing to do is just to copy this right out of the file she provided. Control C and pop it into our script here. So this is the same setup as we were looking at in video 3 yesterday, where we've got our project set up in Advent calendaR. You can double check that you're in the proper working directory using that getWD function that we ran yesterday. And I've just pasted that code into the script window in the top left. I showed this on day 2, I think, that you can run each line by either clicking this run button kind of in the top center of the screen, or I prefer using the keyboard shortcut, which is just pressing Control Enter. And so if we do that on the top line, Control Enter, we see in the console now that line of code is printed and then it gives the answer as 7. Don't worry too much about this bracket 1 bracket right now. I'm sure we'll talk about what that means later. And so R natively can do a lot of just normal calculations. 2 with the caret 5 is 2 to the 5th power, which is 32. It can do 67 to the 8th power, which we can see is 4.06 times 10 to the 14. It sort of automatically gives you the scientific notation. You can take the log of 25, square root of 25, and the absolute value of minus 25. And these are all functions, much like getWD is. You can see they're followed by parentheses, and then the value, and then another parentheses. And so if you want to get the square root of a value, it's just SQRT, and then parentheses the value. So anything would work. We could do the square root of 4, and that returns a 2. Okay, so again, these are just run, and then the values effectively disappear. So I think in later days, upcoming days, we're going to talk about how to save those values to objects so that you can reuse them. That being said, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the short video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.